What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here's XELA, Exela Technologies. This finishes at 13.5 cents today. That is up 34.33%. This did go up a lot last week when they announced that they were going to sell off a part of their business for $200 million. And they said they can possibly sell off even more parts of their business in the future. And yeah, it looks like the momentum is continuing into this week. If you guys recall, I did say it looked really bullish. I didn't really think it was going to squeeze per se, but here we are. Today definitely looks like a game of squeeze, major volume here, and still looks pretty bullish in the short and long terms. So this did once again make StockTwits top 10. I believe it was number 2 after SPY, had about 6,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. This just seems really retail-driven. Biggest stock on StockTwits right now. A lot of momentum. The apes are in here, buying the stock up and squeezing the shorts out. So let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this looks like a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 9 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 26 cents. 34 cents, 40 cents, 47 cents, 53 cents, or 97 cents. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go all the way back up to 350, 550, or 780. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have a triple gap down. First gap down is back here at 250. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 250 to fill this gap. Second gap down is back here at 196, so another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 196 to fill this gap. And the third gap down is back here at 50 cents, so another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 50 cents to fill this gap. It may take a while for those gaps to fill, but eventually they should. And here we do have a descending channel forming. Right now the upper channel is at 14 cents and the lower channel is at 3 cents. So if this breaks the upper channel of 14 cents, which it looks like it's going to very soon, that would be a bullish indicator. That is suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to 14 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will run to the upside as well. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 15 cents and 12 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 15 cents, 20 cents, 26 cents, 29 cents, 34 cents, 40 cents, 47 cents, 53 cents, 62 cents, 70 cents, 74 cents, 80 cents, 85 cents, 90 cents, 97 cents, and then 105. There is resistance above 105, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 12 cents and then the low of 9 cents. And 9 cents is the all-time low, so no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. 13.5 cents. The channels to the upside are pretty wide. So as this stock continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action. RSI is currently at 48. So that is very average, a little bit below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 13.5 cents is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit higher. And this did 765 million in volume today, way above the average of 45 million. Biggest volume day of the year. So this is definitely gamma squeezing here. A lot of momentum. And looks like it's not done just yet. Okay guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. And this is going to be more or less the same from last week. This is just my updated take. So if you guys recall, last week when we analyzed this stock, I did say it looked really bullish. I didn't really think it would gamma squeeze, but here we are. Big price action today. Very happy for the apes. So you missed a lot of upside, but in the short and long terms, this still looks pretty bullish. We only have bullish indicators, again, in the cup and handle, triple gap down, descending channel, and aftermarket action. Still no bearish indicators, but now we do have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Like I said, you missed a lot of upside in the past few days, but here at the current price of $13.50, this is still a pretty decent entry. Very average entry here, according to the RSI. Again, eventually this should come back up to 250 to fill the gap there. So from the current price of $13.50, that would be over a 1,750% upside potential. I think last week when this was at 10 cents, it was a 2,400% upside potential. So you missed a pretty big opportunity there. But 1,750% upside, still massive upside potential. So I would say going along at the current price, $13.50 would be a medium risk, very high reward play. I say medium risk because 1350 is a very average entry. Not great, but not terrible. So this can pull back a little bit in the short term, especially because this is squeezing right now. Usually stocks do pull back when the squeeze starts to wind down, which will have to happen at some point. And I say very high reward play because, again, 1750% upside potential. But yeah, you really can't go too wrong here at the current price, 1350, especially if you're holding for the long term. So I can't support going long at the current price, 1350. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You probably will be able to make some money here, because like I said, usually when squeezes lose their momentum, it does pull back, and that should happen pretty soon. But if you want to short this, it would have to be a quick scalp. It would definitely be a bad idea to short this for an extended period of time. So for the same reasons I said to go long for this stock, we only have bullish indicators right now, no bearish indicators, and one neutral indicator in the RSI. And again, long term, this should come back up to 250 to fill the gap, which would be a 1750% upside potential. So I would say going short here would be a very high risk, medium reward play. I say medium reward play because this may pull back down to 12 or 9, which would be some pretty decent money to the downside. So at the very most, this pulls back down to 9 cents, I would say. And that would be about a 35% downside potential. So really not worth it in my opinion. It is possible you can make money, but good chance you get squeezed out. So I don't think going short here is the best idea. If you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. And again, it would definitely have to be for a short scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. You really don't want to hold this one on the short side for that long. So yeah, pretty straightforward, guys. Very bullish news last week. The company announced they're selling off parts of their business. The momentum continued into this week. Stock went gamma squeezing today. You missed a lot of upside in the past few days, but still looks pretty bullish in the short and long terms. It's not too late to enter this stock. So if you want to go long, the current price, 1350, very average entry here. You missed your chance to enter at a great price last week, but still not a bad price, especially in the long term. Should pay off pretty big. 1750% upside potential, and really shouldn't go too much lower. If it does pull back, then it may come back down to 12, possibly 9 at the worst. Medium risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. And if you want to go short, does not seem like the greatest play to me. If you want to short this, it would definitely have to be a quick scalp. Again, all bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, and only one neutral indicator. Seems really bullish in the long term, so very risky going short here. If you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. Get in, get your money, get out. So we will continue to follow this stock in the next few trading sessions here. Hopefully it keeps winning. I'm rooting for the apes. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is XELA, XELA Technologies. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.